Okay, in this lesson, we want to change the weather. You click on it. There is a slider. In this slider, you can change the rainy or snowy weather. As you can see, you slightly drag this slider to the cloudy weather. As you can see, the water effect on all objects, as you can see. Because why this happened? Because as you mentioned before, in the material we have a weather option that is on. If you make it off, this effect it does not appear. Or for example, in all trees we have season automatic. That means you can change it here automatically. Okay, we continue, and the rain will be happen. As you can see, the rain does not throw the object, does not throw the object and the house and anything. You can increase the rainy weather, as you can see. And we can change the season. For example, in the sunny, we going to the, as you can see, fall, autumn, and the leaves are falling. Very interesting. And we slightly going to the winter. As you can see, all leaves gone. And if we go into the cloudy weather, we can simulate the snow because we are in a winter. If you go into the autumn or summer, we have a rain. But when you go into the winter, we have snow. That's very easy. And all vegetation going there, changing automatically. And for example, in this bushes, you can see all snowy effect on. And very interesting. You can stop the snowing. And going back to the summer. But I like this mode. A little drop fall here. Okay, that is the weather. Very simple and easy. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.